What is a small group activity that will actually keep students engaged? One of my favorite small group activities to do is a word problem builder where all you need are index cards and markers, different colored markers. All I do is I cut the index cards into small pieces. So I typically will cut them in half or whatever. And then I will draw a circle on one side, and then on the other side I will put various things to help me build a word problem. For example, and for red, I have whether you're adding or subtracting. You can also do multiplication, division, based on what subject you're working with. For orange, I have who the problem is about. So a lot of times I like to put maybe the teacher's name, so Miss Credle, or maybe a favorite character's name. I have Olaf, just to keep the students extra engaged. So this is who's going to be doing the adding or subtracting, multiplying, dividing, whatever. Then we have the yellow cards, which is our first number that we get. It's hard to see on camera, but this is the first number that we get. Our green is the second number that we get. And our blue is what we are adding and subtracting. So we have who, but now we need the what. So this is what we are adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, whatever. So I lay out all the cards for students. I have them go kind of in rainbow order, so red, orange, yellow, green, blue. So first they will pick one. Okay, so we're subtracting. Put the rest away. Who is doing the subtracting? Miss Credle is subtracting. 2. Okay, we have our first number. We have our second number, so 4, and you can kind of put these off to the side. Put the rest off to the side. And then you lastly pick your what. So Miss Credle, maybe she has 4 books, and she's subtracting 2. So what is 4 minus 2? And that is how you would build their word problems.